Hello, friends. I'm Lori Hayes, and today we're diving into a question that's on many of your minds. What is the best collagen for women over 50? Not only will I answer this, but I'll also explain the why behind it. We are going to break down this complex topic into simple, digestible insights because let's face it, too much sciencey stuff can be very overwhelming. Okay, ready? Let's get started. I'm Lori Hayes, faith-based mindset coach, essential oil and biohacking enthusiast, and network marketing top leader. Welcome to Thriving Minds and Body. When we talk about collagen for women over 50, one product stands out, doTERRA's MetaPWR Advantage. It's more than just a collagen supplement. It's a powerhouse of 12 active ingredients with no fillers to disrupt hormones or put extra load on the body. Today, I'll focus on the collagen aspect, but stay tuned for future videos on the other active and really important ingredients as well. And be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I drop those videos. You're also going to want to watch to the end because there I'll be sharing my free download with you that you do not want to miss as my gift to you for watching it. Let's discuss why MetaPWR Advantage's collagen is unique. Most market options are collagen peptides, which are larger and less absorbable, requiring extra breakdown by your body. This inefficiency means less benefit and more work for your body. MetaPWR Advantage, on the other hand, 70% collagen tripeptides, which are much smaller in size, ensuring higher absorption, and you get direct benefit to your skin, joints, and overall health. This also means you need less of it to be effective. So let's talk about the specific benefits and why this is the best collagen for women over 50. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for aging skin. For those concerned about wrinkles and sagging skin, the collagen tripeptides MetaPWR Advantage help reverse age the skin, promoting hydration and reducing signs of skin aging, just by increasing skin elasticity and thickness. No more crepey skin. I know that you know what that looks like. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for joint and bone health. Joint stiffness and bone density are critical issues for women over 50. Our supplement supports healthy cartilage and bones, which helps us be more flexible and also reduce the risks associated with osteoporosis. I will tell you, this ran in my family, and I am so grateful to have this tool in my toolbox. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for muscle mass maintenance. Unfortunately, muscle mass declines with age. However, MetaPWR's collagen content helps in maintaining muscle strength, which is crucial for mobility, metabolism, and overall health. This is one of the places that I saw the biggest difference in my own body. I increased muscle mass finally. I had been working out and nothing seemed to be changing my muscle mass until I started taking MetaPWR Advantage. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for hair and nail health. So experience stronger hair and nails with our diverse collagen types, which address common issues like thinning of the hair and brittle nails as women age. My nails are very strong and I have noticed new hair growth. So whenever you see those little things sticking up at my part, that's new hair growth. And all that has happened since I started taking MetaPWR Advantage. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for gut health and really overall wellness. A healthy gut is vital for overall well-being. The collagen in MetaPWR Advantage plays a role in promoting gut health and is really often an overlooked part of aging. But your gut health is tied to your immune system and your emotional health. I'm going to be talking more about this in future videos, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when these new videos drop. MetaPWR Advantage collagen for weight management and metabolism. One of the biggest things that we start to experience over the age of 50 is metabolic changes. Our metabolism changes, right? MetaPWR Advantage can be a key player in your weight management and metabolic health strategy. I have noticed more focus, more energy, overall feeling better, which also means I'm moving more and motivated to do it. So overall, it's just a huge win-win. Now the exciting part. MetaPWR Advantage boasts 9 types of marine collagen, each with specific benefits for skin and bones, eyes, your liver, kidneys, cellular health, and even brain function. And yes, it has different collagen types that affect all of those body systems. This is really important. Plus, it includes a unique component called vascular protein sorting 37A. That's a mouthful, right? And very sciencey, but this is important. That is for optimal utilization of each of the collagen types in the body. It kind of directs and tells the collagen where to go. Now, if you are doing your research, which some of you are, I'm going to give you the other collagen types that are in MetaPWR Advantage. They are type 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 25, along with that vascular protein sorting 37A. MetaPWR Advantage comes in a hydrolyzed powder form, actually in these amazing little packets. And this format is actually more shelf stable and also environmentally friendly compared to prepackaged liquid collagens, which often lose beneficial ingredients during that sterilization process. Okay, you've heard the benefits, and now you're probably thinking, how do I get this? Check the link below for purchasing options, including the full MetaPWR kit for those looking to enhance metabolic health along with your collagen intake. There's other products that go along with this that are amazing. And when you purchase MetaPWR, I will send you a free 30-day MetaPWR Challenge workbook that is packed with tips and tricks and activities to help you take control of your metabolism and overall health. Purchasing MetaPWR also gives you access to an exclusive Facebook group. It's filled with testimonies and tips and tricks and all the things, recipes. Oh my gosh, it's jam-packed with information. It's a super supportive community that's as powerful as the product, and it's open to my customers only. I have a surprise for you. You made it to the end of the video. So here is my special gift. Click the link below to download my ebook as my gift for you. And my ebook is called How to Change Your Mindset from Positive to Negative Using Affirmations and Essential Oils. Having a positive mindset is crucial when making changes in our health, and it is truly foundational. You are gonna love this. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more impactful content. Turn on those notifications to catch each new video as soon as it's released. Your journey to wellness starts right here, and I am so excited to be a part of it with you. I'll see you in the next video.